In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the name of some of your default pages in your ePortfolio. For this tutorial today specifically, we're going to look at the composition requirement. So let's say you're taking an English course, and instead of English 2010, you're actually taking English 2100 to fill that prerequisite. So the way you make that change is actually pretty easy. And what we're going to do is we're going to take and make a change in our navigational menu, this area right here. In order to do that, we need to get into our header. This space right here is called our header. And what that means is that any changes you make in this header, or anything you put, any content you put in this header is going to show up on every page of your class, or every page of your portfolio, sorry. So what we're going to do is if you hover over in this corner, you click and then hover, you'll see a little lock button pop up. Go ahead and click on that lock. You'll notice that it unlocks it, and then we're going to take our mouse and we're going to come hover right over the top corner of our menu here, our navigational menu. Once you get to that top corner, you can click on the Edit button. So I'm going to click on Edit, and this brings up all the pages that are in our portfolio currently. So if we scroll down a little bit, we'll see the English 2010 page. And what you can do is you can actually click right next to that. Just go ahead and delete and type in English 2100 instead. The other thing I would recommend doing, you don't have to, but if you click on this little cog, it's the same one on the same row as the English 2100 page. We can change the name of the URL for that particular page just to match that class. And then once that's done, you can just click back on the cog and it pulls it up. And then make sure you come down to that bottom right corner and you click on Save. So once you've clicked on Save, you can see the changes are being saved. I'm going to come back up in this corner and click on the lock button again just to lock that back up. And now as I hover over composition, you can see that my default has gone to 2100. The next thing you want to make sure that you do is click on your 2100 page. I'm going to just minimize this prompt here for a minute. And you want to make sure you come in here and that you change this as well. So the way you would change this is you can see when I'm hovering over this area, you can see the gray lines and the icons pop up. We're going to click on Edit, or you can double click in here as well. So click on Edit, it brings up this toolbar. It means I can edit and work within this little module here. And then I can just click in there and make the change. And then you can also change the title of the course, and you can change the course description as well. So once their changes are made, you're going to go ahead and make sure you publish your changes, and you're ready to go.